Hey everyone, welcome to Crypto Coin Investor. In this video, I'll be taking a look at Stellar Lumens USDT pair as well as Stellar Lumens BTC pair. So this is a 3D chart flash from Binance. Every single bar that you see here represents 3 days worth of price action. And right now, the Stellar Lumens is not looking too good, especially after being rejected in the 40s last month, where we were expecting to rally all the way to 50 cents. So right now, Stellar Lumens price is hovering between 29 and 30 cents. We have varied divergence on the MACD, and we are facing severe resistance at somewhere around 31 cents. This is not good. That said, if somehow we are able to close above 31 cents and 33 cents, the next resistance would be at 50 cents. This is very important to keep in mind. So right now, Stellar Lumens is in the 26 cent and 33 cents area where it is facing a lot of resistance. By the way, do like and subscribe if you find this content useful. On the MACD, we have bearish divergence. This is not good, and this means that the bears are in control. So last month we had a very nice rally. It went from 26 cents, we surpassed 40 cents, but we were not able to hold that very level. We were expecting a rally all the way to 50 cents. This is what usually most projects do, but the Bitcoin crashed and so did these Stellar Lumens. So it's not looking too good. Let's take a look at the weekly chart if the situation is different. So usually whenever you are above this green cloud, which is, by the way, it is an Ichimoku indicator, you can find it on TradingView. Usually whenever we are above this green cloud, the bull market, an asset is in bull market. Whenever we are under this cloud, the asset is in bear market. Now we are under this cloud, and I expect somewhat some time of sideways action before we are finally able to get above the resistance cloud, which is, guess what, at 42 and 44 cents. We have resistance at 33 cents according to the moving averages of the Ichimoku indicator. So 34 cents and 32 cents, these are two resistance levels. If you're above these averages, you are doing well. But if you are above, if you're below these averages, you are going to face resistance. If you're above these averages, they act as support. I'm expecting some sideways action for a couple of months before we break to the upside. That's that. If we do break to the upside, we will face stiff resistance at 43 cents or so, as mentioned earlier. So it's a hard nut to crack. We have tested 43 cent level a lot of time in the past, and every time we are getting rejected, nearly 4 to 5 times we have already tested it. Hopefully, after some sideways action, we will flush the shorters out and the bulls will win. I'm expecting a pump somewhere around the second week of January. If we pump right now, I think it'll be rejected immediately at 43 cents. So a few weeks of sideways action, so won't hurt Lumens. On the short time interval, like 4-hour chart, you can see that we had a strong rejection at 36 cents. But we can make use of Fibonacci to get an idea of the various resistance and support levels. So next resistance level or price take profit level, if you enter right now, would be 29 cents, followed by 32 cents, 34 cents, 36 cents, 40 cents, and 44 cents. I personally think that once we are able to close over 44 cents, there's a huge chance we may touch the recent all-time high of 75 cents or the actual all-time high of 95 cents. It's also possible to touch $1, but that's highly unlikely the way SDF dumped so much lumens in the market. There's so less hype about Stellar Lumens right now. It's sad. Well, it's such an excellent project. So feel free to screenshot this. Now let's take a look at the Stellar Lumens BTC pair real quick before I end this video. So it's the 4-hour, but we will switch to daily time frame to have a better idea of where we are right now. By the way, I had made this Fibonacci last month, and it is valid even right now as well. We had a nice bounce at the 525 sats area, but I think Stellar Lumens price action between 525 sats and 783 sats is just noise. Once we are able to close above 780 sats, I think that is when the real price action will start, and we will see some real nice action. If you are a believer in Bitcoin, I would highly suggest offloading your Bitcoin after 1600 sats. That's the same area where we got rejected back in month of May. But historically, we have touched 6,000 sats as well. So feel free to start unloading your Stellar at 1600 sats, followed by 2300 sats, 3400 sats, 4400 sats, and 5100 sats. That's where I'll be looking to offload my Stellar Lumens for BTC if you are a believer in Bitcoin. Usually I like to go 50-50, 50% in USDT, 50% BTC whenever I'm cashing out, so it doesn't hurt to hold some bit of Bitcoin. That's all about it. Feel free to screenshot this for future reference. I won't be changing it. And just subscribe for more cryptocurrency and price analysis videos like these.